susukatan namin kung ilan ang kuha niya para malaman namin kung ang habulin niyang inches is 15.
Ulit 16
Hopefully,
to. 16 to.
More than 15 siya.
Oh. Hmm. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Good morning to everybody. In this video we are headed to a fishing derby at Selkirk Park. Although we joined last year, and this is one of our friends' friend who invited us to join this derby. And so far the plan is to do a catfish setup. We don't know what to expect because the derby is, you know, non-specific. It means that you can catch any fish, and the competition is about, you know, who catches the biggest one. So yeah, that's our main goal for today is to do catfish. Although I know it's a bit cold, but well, hopefully it turns out well. So I hope you join us and stick around, guys. All right. And I am so thankful because I am already at 330 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for the support. See you later. All right. Okay, so we're here, but we're still going to set up. So as what I said earlier, I already have like 330 subs. So I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support. So for some of you are new to the channel, if you are, you know, thinking of passing by or something, just checking up, I really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. What happens? Let's see. Yun, doon sila. Doon. So the weather is not in our favor. Look. Oh, say hi. Yeah, the weather is not in our favor. Although, yeah, last year it's it's much better compared to last year because last year when we joined this very same derby, it's rainy. So hopefully this day turns out well. The guys are preparing. Yeah, they're all preparing. Kukunin muna tayo. Let's try to get our stuff. Wait nasa vlog ka ngayon, loko. lalabas ka rito. Yan.
Jay Garcia, welcome to my vlog.
Pang-lunch mo yung ano, ha?
Sige po. Kasama kayo doon. Okay, so we're done with registration. And as what I said, the game plan for today is, you know, I'm doing my catfish setup. I'm not really putting high hopes on this one because, you know, we're just here to have fun, as always. And, you know, make friends with our other anglers, Filipino anglers to be exact. So stay tuned. Let's try to check and see where these guys, other guys, are set up, I mean. Oh, by the way, earlier there's one guy. He's one of my friend, Jay Garcia. Shout out. Okay. Oh, we have people fishing na. We are setting up.
Your card, your paper, that's for lunch.
Some people who are
Pwede
setting
naman
up.
mag-fishing doon sa may twin. Maraming issue doon. Bubulyawan ka.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Pero meron doon inuupahan.
Good morning, good morning. Wow, puro mahahaba ang dala nitong mga to. Okay. Ayan. So yun, yung aming, I think this is gonna be the head base, whatever. Hanggang dito, ayan o. Speaking of. Okay, so that's the length of like where people are gonna be fishing. Ayan. Bahala na. But for me, I'm just all about the food and stuff. And of course, just to have a good time. At least it's not raining, so that's a good thing. So look at the weather. Oh, I think it. You can see it. Okay, yun na. Okay, so in 2 minutes, derby time. Oh, yan. So this is our first attempt. Gonna be using gold eye.
Okay, go! Go! Go!
Oh, inyo na yan. Take it now. Smell it now, take it. Ayan, dyan lang. Oh, by the way, this is what I'm using, my Daiwa Akidep. Yeah, and with my 9-foot Shimano trolling something, whatever. Yeah, 9 feet. Ayan, si kay Kuya, hi si Kuya. Ayan. Nasaan yung drone ko? Wala ba dyan yung drone?
Wala akong dala, iniwan mo doon kaya nili.
Wala ba? Papalipad tayo para makuhaan lahat ng ano. That scared the living shit out of me. I thought na wala ako yung drone. Eto pala, wifey put it in the car. Sorry. Paranoid. Stay tuned. We're like 10 minutes in the derby, so yeah.
A few moments later.
Mike,
thought I had a bite. But yeah, we are still waiting. But, yeah. Yeah, so we're still waiting. Yan sila kuya, oh. Itong mga nakahuli na ng isda itong mga to. Buti pa sila. So update. They said somebody caught 15 inches. Yeah, they registered 15 inches. It's around 10:30. So yun, the fastest fish is 9:05. And then yeah. So far the biggest right now is 15. That's the size to be. Yo, Jeff.
Ah,
Oh. Meron. Jeffrey has a catch. Oh, sukati. Ayan oh, pang sukat.
Smallest of the world. Parang 11 inches.
Oh.
Parang 11 inches.
Oh.
9. Pwede manalo ka pag 9.
Baka manalo pa yan, man 9.
9 or 8. Oo. Panangan mo 9 or 8. Balik yan.
Ito na kuya. Oh. Ay, 10 and a half.
10 na yan. 10.25.
Oh, yan. Balik niya na. Kasi, bye-bye. Thank you for biting. Oh. Mr. Rodante Garcia.
Champion yan. Ayun, malaki. Ayun na.
Ano yan?
Ayun ang champion.
Bass?
Mga 17, ano yan? 17, 18.
Tingnan natin kung ano nahuli niya. Mukhang pickerel. Anak ng
Malaki.
Magsi. Bullhead. Unless mag 16 yan. Oh! Eto! $16 yan.
13.5, tama ba? 47 po.
Pari ko yung video.
47. Okay, 47.
Panalo na to.
11.13. Okay, copy.
Ayan. Ano na. Ayan po, nakahuli siya ng isang
Sabay
bullhead.
ulan.
Susukatan namin kung ilan ang kuha niya para malaman namin kung ang habulin niyang inches is 15.
Kulit 16 to. 16 to.
More than 15 siya.
16. 16. 15 3/4.
Oh,
Almost.
15.75. Okay, lagyan na natin 15.75.
16 sakto.
Yan na, 16 siya. Tawag.
Oh, 16.
Anong ano mo? Number
Umiihi ako, hindi pa ako nakasipan.
Talo mo yung 15.
Sangga, ito na pare ko.
Naka-video naman
Oh.
16.
16. Oh.
Oh, meron na naman dito. Number 49, 11, 14.
16 na bullhead. 16 inches na bullhead.
Champion yun eh.
Panalo ka na, sir. Galing. Final 10 minutes. Buti pa si kuya sa baba, meron na dali. Final 10 minutes. So, well, it's good. Everybody had fun. So, yun. Tapos ang maganda doon, hindi tumuloy yung ulan. So, that's good. Meron man konti. But it's not that bad. That's the most important thing. Everybody had fun. So we are 11:54. It's like 6 minutes. So 6 more minutes. Oh, last 6 minutes. Sana. Okay, ahon na. Wala na to. Kumain na lang tayo. Wala man lang kumagat kahit pike. That concludes yung derby proper. So let's go with the awarding and lunch. Ha, doon natin daanin na. This is what happens after the derby. Yan si ate. Dami niya palang content creator dito eh. Pa si Kuya oh. Yeah. Yeah, shout out kay Kuya oh. Shout out kay Kuya Giovanni.
Giovanni
Marcel. Yeah.
Giovanni Dagoy.
Yan. Dami palang content creator dito eh. Yay! Thank you. I won a prize. Ay, apo.
There you go. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yay. Naka-video ka rin, kuya. Okay. Thank you po. Yay, I won something. Yay. Ha? Yay! Nanalo ko. Ano? Tayo ka. May dadagdag na tayong content. Ayan. Yan, tayo mo sa YouTube. Yan, yay. Okay, so let's go with the awarding. I won this one right here. Tapos, yun na, awarding na.
So, meron tayo mga prizes sa fishing derby. Sa smallest catch, dalawa ang nanalo. $25 each. So, number 12, Rohan Zabuco. Yung isang nanalo ng smallest catch is number 53, Kelly De La Cruz. Prize po is the fastest catch. Fastest catch, 9:05 a.m.
Yeah. Oh,
Number 46.
nice. Nice.
Congratulations po. At yung isang humahataw, matalata siguro kung sino yun. Most catch.
Most catch. Hakot eh, hakot.
Si Ketty de la Cruz ulit. Nakalima siya ng catch. Number 53.
Ayun. Hindi ka umuwing luhaan. So we're going on with the major prizes. Ayun, most catch. Good job, good job. 5. Nice. We're complete with picture taking.
Okay. Announcement tayo na third prize. Sa third prize po, tatlo po dalawa po nanalo.
Dito lahat yung... These are all the participants on the left side.
Third prize,
Nice. So that's the tie on third place.
dalawa ko lang nanalo.
Okay, so this is for the second place.
15 inches, number 5, Michael Morilla.
Nice.
Yung isa naman, number 53, Kelly De La Cruz.
Yan. Oh,
Ating pong first
first.
prize ay number 16 inches. 16.
Yeah, well deserved, well deserved.
49.
Woohoo!
Rodante Garcia.
Yeah. Woo! Congrats. Ayan. Congratulate natin yung nanalo. Congratulations. Ayan, oh. Oh. Follow nyo, Sir Rodante Garcia. Okay, so that concludes the derby for today. It's so nice. I get to meet some people. So shout out Sir Rodante Garcia. Shout out Sir Giovanni Dagohoy. So hopefully next time kita-kita ulit, no? All right, guys, thank you very much for the support. Again, I am at 330 subscribers right now. Thank you. I really appreciate the support. So if you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button and follow on with all my adventures. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Ciao. Wait, there's more. Lapitan mo kaya dun. Bumigat? Ang laki. Uy! Ang laki. Ngayon ka pa nagpakita. Ngayon pa nagpakita. Oh, di ba?